You already knew that the minute you stepped outside. We hit 99 degrees, the hottest day in nearly a year.
And the morning low even set its own record for how warm the low was. Chief Meteorologist Mike Nelson breaks it all down. We could be in for triple digits this week, Mike.
That's always a hard one because it's a record high low, and the minimum temperature was as warm as it's ever been early this morning. And tomorrow morning is going to be another warm morning for sure, with 68 at 7 a.m., 77 by 9 a.m., and 86 by the time we get to 11 a.m. Skies will start out sunny, a few clouds building by midday. Top temperature for today in Denver was 99 degrees, and the morning low was 67. The previous record warm low temperature was 65 degrees, and our averages are 89 and 58. It's still really warm out there. A pair of 80s. I mean, it didn't get cool, it just got dark. Temperatures around the Front Range. Pressure's rising, winds are gusty, dew point at 45 degrees. Here's the big map. The storm track is to the north of us along that stationary front that stretches from Idaho all the way across the Great Lakes. As long as that stays to the north, we don't get much, folks. Clear skies expected overnight. Earlier this evening, had some strong gusty winds on the eastern plains. Ray out in the eastern plains about an hour ago had gusts to about 50 miles per hour, the passing thunderstorm. By morning, Ray drops to 66, 62 in Denver, 59 Colorado Springs, 58 in Greeley. 38 up at Leadville, one of the cooler temperatures. 38 Kremling, 39 at Walden. Otherwise, it's mostly 50s in the mountains and mostly lower 60s on the plains. We start with sunny skies, a windy, warm morning again. By midday tomorrow, there'll be some clouds building, and in the afternoon, there will be some widely scattered thunderstorms in the eastern plains, not very many. Hot, dry, and windy across the west, where red flag warnings are in effect in the areas highlighted in red. Some stronger storms up in Nebraska, where there could be some severe weather tomorrow, but most of Colorado is just going to be hot and dry. 97 Fort Collins, Greeley, Denver. 104 at La Junta and Lamar, 100 at Ray, 97 out west at Grand Junction. In the mountains tomorrow, that's the spot to be if you can, in the 70s mostly, while we have 90s on the plains and more of that to come. Clearing and mild tonight, low 62 with gusty winds from the south-southeast. Hot and windy tomorrow, isolated gusty storms in the afternoon, not very many, 97 for a high. Looking ahead, the heat goes on, 99 on Thursday. That'll be our new record high temperature, beating the old mark of 98. 98 Friday, 100 on Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it'll be mid-upper 90s with a little bit better chance of storms Sunday and again on Tuesday. But this is a hot, dry time, folks. Fire danger remains high. Drought conditions continue to increase. Be careful out there and stay with us. We'll have sports coming up next.